Healthcare. The healthcare industry is ripe for some major changes. From chronic and cancer diseases to radiology and risk assessment, there are nearly endless opportunities to leverage technology to deploy more precise, efficient, and impactful interventions at exactly the right moment in a patient's care. AI offers a number of advantages over traditional analytics and clinical decision making techniques. Machine learning algorithms can become more precise and accurate as they interact with training data, allowing humans to gain groundbreaking insights into diagnostics, care processes, treatment variability, and patient outcomes. Now let's check out some of the benefits AI is providing in healthcare. AI-assisted robotic surgery. In the operating room, surgeons must always be precise when performing surgical tasks. The repetitive tasks are challenging. To assist surgeons, the medical field is using the advancements of AI and collaborative robots in the operating room. Surgical robots are able to control the trajectory, depth, and speed of their movements with great precision. They are especially well suited for procedures that require the same repetitive movements as they are able to work without fatigue. Robots can also remain completely still for as long as needed and can go where traditional tools cannot. The longer surgeons can keep performing surgery, better the result, but surgical procedures can be physically demanding. The skills and knowledge that surgeons amass over their careers can be impeded by a loss of motor skills. Collaborative robots can help diminish the effects of hand tremors and avoid unintended or accidental movements. Surgical robots can minimize errors and variations and eventually help in increasing the efficiency of surgeons. One such surgical robot is Da Vinci. Da Vinci allows professional surgeons to implement complex surgeries with better flexibility and control than conventional approaches. Key features of the Da Vinci include aiding surgeons with an advanced set of instruments, translating the surgeon's hand movements at the console in real time, producing clear and magnified 3D high-definition image of the surgical area. AI in medical diagnosis. With the help of neural networks and deep learning models, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the image diagnosis field in medicine. It has taken over the complex analysis of MRI scans and made it a simpler process. MRI scans are difficult to analyze due to the amount of information they contain. A normal MRI analysis takes several hours, and researchers trying to formulate an outcome from large datasets. They wait for hours for a computer to generate the scans. Large and complex datasets can be analyzed with the help of neural networks, and this is exactly what a team of researchers implemented in MIT. They developed a neural network called VoxelMorph that was trained on a dataset of approximately 7,000 MRI scans. VoxelMorph succeeded in beating conventional MRI analysis method. The neural networks took seconds to perform MRI analysis, the same analysis that takes hours for a conventional MRI program. Developing new medicines with AI. The drug development industry is slowed down by skyrocketing development costs and research that takes thousands of human hours. It costs about $2.6 billion to put each drug through clinical trials, and only 10% of those drugs are successfully brought to market. Due to breakthroughs in technology, biopharmaceutical companies are quickly taking notice of the efficiency, accuracy, and knowledge that AI can provide. One of the biggest AI breakthroughs in drug development came in 2007, when researchers tasked a robot named Adam with researching functions of yeast. Adam scored billions of data points in public databases to hypothesize about the functions of 19 genes within yeast, creating 9 new and accurate hypotheses. Companies like Atomwise from California, Deep Genomics from Canada, and Binimodern AI from England are ready on AI to develop the next wave of medicine. Streamlining patient experience with AI. In the healthcare industry, time is money. Efficiently providing a seamless patient experience allows hospitals, clinics, and physicians to treat more patients on a daily basis. US hospitals saw more than 35 million patients in 2016, each with different ailments, insurance coverage, and conditions that factor into providing service. A 2016 study of 35,000 physician reviews revealed 96% of patient complaints are about lack of customer service, confusion over paperwork, and negative front desk experiences. New innovations in AI healthcare technology are streamlining the patient experience, helping hospital staff process millions of data points faster and more efficiently. These are some of the ways where AI is improving patients' experience. Faster hospital visits, personalized healthcare plans, by optimizing real time of patients, automating most repetitive processes. Image analysis. Currently, image analysis is very time consuming for human providers, but an MIT-led research team developed a machine learning algorithm that can analyze 3D scans up to 1000 times faster than what is possible today. This real-time assessment can provide critical input for surgeons who are operating. It is also hoped that AI can help to improve the next generation of radiology tools that don't rely on tissue samples. Additionally, AI image analysis could support remote areas that don't have easy access to healthcare providers and even make telemedicine more effective, as patients can use their camera phones to send pics of rashes, cuts to determine what care is necessary. In a very complex world of healthcare, AI tools can support human providers to provide faster service, diagnose issues, and analyze data to identify trends or genetic information that could predispose someone to a particular disease. When saving minutes can mean saving lives, AI and machine learning can be transformative not only for healthcare but for every single patient. Healthcare bots. Bots for healthcare exist primarily for patient engagement. Healthcare bots, which are found in mobile messaging apps, can help patients quickly in real time simply by sending a message. Health chatbots can answer health related questions and even help patients manage medications by providing information on types of medications and recommended doses. Some advancements that have been made in healthcare bots include the ability to learn and mimic human conversations, detect emotions to enable empathetic engagement with patients, incorporate natural language processing, sentiment analysis, and concept mining into chat scripts, perform complex image recognition tasks to analyze photos, handwritten notes, and barcodes. Other artificial intelligence solutions being developed in the healthcare field include heart sound analysis, companion robots for the elderly, mining medical records, design treatment plans, assist in repetitive jobs, provide consultations, using avatars for clinical training.